Now I will be explaining about Net Profiter Retail's supplier module. This is suppliers module. Here you will get firstly created suppliers and imported suppliers also. If you want to search the supplier, you can search the supplier in search bar by its name, phone number and email address also. If you want to import or export the supplier, you can go to this Banto button where you can export supplier and import supplier from Excel to your system. If you want to create new supplier, go to the new supplier button. A new supplier page will be open where you can fill the details of the suppliers and you can create that supplier for your retail shop from where you will purchase the items for your retail shop. Now I will be showing you how to create a supplier. In basic details, these red marks are the mandatory fields. By filling these mandatory fields, you can create a supplier. If you want to add further details about the supplier, you can also add personal details, credit details, purchase history, bank details, and statutory information about the supplier. Let's create a supplier by filling the details of the supplier. First, we will be adding company name here. Let's add, say, company name here. Then you can give agency name, first name, last name. You can select gender of the supplier. You can give email address of the supplier. You can add phone number of the supplier. You can give Aadhaar number. You can give supplier's address, city, which city the supplier belongs to, or you can select the state also of the supplier and pin code of the city also. In personal details, you can select the supplier since from what date you are purchasing the items from that supplier, his occupation, his birth date, anniversary date also you can give here. In credit details, you can allow credit if you want to purchase any items on credit from the supplier, you can allow here credit also. Just to allow credit, click allow credit. Here you enable this allow credit where you can set the credit limit amount and term payment terms by days you will return, by weeks or month. If you can select this. By days means in by how many days you will return the amount for the supplier. By 10, 20 you can give it by yourself. Purchase history. In purchase history, you will see the all the purchase transactions with this supplier. Bank details. You can give the bank name of the supplier. You can add account also, account number, bank branch, IFSC code, MICR code also. In statutory information, you can give the supplier's PAN number, GST number, VAT number, TIN number, CST number also. You can also use the shortcut keys also. By pressing Ctrl plus question mark, you will get all the shortcut keys by which you can use them while making any transactions here. After filling all the details about the supplier, when you click on the submit button, you can see the supplier which is created now. By this, you can create new supplier in suppliers module. This is how the supplier modules work.